UPS 634, we're going to make a right-hand turn to about a 220 heading and come around the backside of that into St. Louis. We're going to give that a try. We're looking at the wind direction up here. It might or might not get to St. Louis. If it beats us there, well, we just go out and hold a little bit. How about we go up to, if we can get flight level 360, sir. Center UPS 634. Sir, we got smoke in the cockpit. I need to get to Cedar Rapids right now. 34, proceed, direct Cedar Rapids. Sit in 240.
1775, 15 miles west of final approach 6. Fly your present heading, intercept the local edge, clear the ILS runway 27 into Cedar Rapids Airport.
Flagger cleared ILS 27 to Cedar Rapids, FedEx 1775.
25, alright, let's have you change over to advisory frequency. I'm going to need to get your downtime as soon as possible. I got an emergency aircraft that's coming in from the south. He's about 50 to the south, so you should be down. But I'll need that cancellation straight away so that I can make sure I can get him in.
Talk to you in a bit.
634, sir. 9,000, you get 634. 9,000, 634. Call ahead, see what the active runway is, and give them the weather, please.
Some moderate precipitation ahead of you on the arrival, but the heavy stuff looks like it's south of the airfield and southeast of the airfield, so you don't have to worry about much, just some moderate precipitation.
Yes, sir, we're on 100% oxygen this time. We got souls on board. Would you advise have rescue, fire and rescue, or lead us, please? Again, advise company or declare emergency.
No, sir. We'll be able to put you on final here. 634, change my frequency 132.5. Sorry, 132.8. 32.8, please. 4, roger that. Go and sliding 350. We'll try to get you in there closer.
4, sir, I'm also monitoring guard. If the smoke gets so thick, contact me on guard. 121.5.
634, roger.
2 souls on board, you feel 634.
Fuel remaining.
Hands on board. 0, you feel 634.
For Cedar Rapids weather, I got a 10 miles visibility, ceiling 1,900 overcast, temperature 18, dew point 17, altimeter 299.5. 2,300.
Cedar Rapids Tower, firebox 3, heading emergency traffic. Box 2, Box 3, Cedar Rapids Tower, we're opening up. Roger, do you have any more contact with the UP aircraft? Alright, got a lot of gas stuff right now. Somebody was asking if you had any information on UPS that we do. 25 Dodge House Blue on board, 2 souls on board, that's what they're asking of UPS 534. Roger, 2 souls, 1,000 miles of fuel, running runway 27, roger.
34, yes, 634, contact Cedar Rapids approach, 119.7, then they'll work you in the rest of the way.
1,000 feet, we're on a heading of 360, emergency aircraft smoking cockpit.
Okay, 17,000, if you want, we can start slowing you down now. We have an emergency going in, smoke in the cockpit. He may be taking up the runway.
Stay here, Alpha 5 and Alpha, what's the ETA of the aircraft? Right now we're about 15 miles out with that jet.
Turks about 27, you feel 634. Start slowing this thing down.
Control 4, ground.
Control 4, go ahead.
Control 4, yeah, I'm assuming you need to get out there too as well.
Control 4 is going to hold where I'm at right now.
Control 4, roger.
Command, UPS 634.
Fox 2, roger.
There's 1464.
Over wave on I was just curious what your intentions are with that.
What happens, I'm going to probably put you into holding. The emergency aircraft did stop on the runway. Before contact Cedar Rapids approach, 119.7.
1464.
Cedar Rapids ground. We're going to close the airspace right now. We got emergency vehicles going to go down Alpha.
Roger, that's approved.
Airfield is closed at this time.
Cedar Rapids Tower from Firebox 3. Firebox 3 ground, go ahead. Roger, at this point, we're local, no one will close on the airport until we get this situation resolved. If you guys could file that note for us, it'd be much appreciated. Roger, we do that. Box 2, Box 3, Tower with a question. Yeah, have the pilots evacuated yet? Let me check. We got one out for sure, just a second. Both pilots are off the aircraft. We have people who are going to try and leave the airstairs out there. It's possible you give a signature a call for it, see if they have somebody that does get the airstairs arrive to try and ladder this aircraft.
I mean, it's 43 like
Box 3, go ahead.
Box 3, maintenance is in here. We can get the airstairs out there.
Roger. Yeah, as soon as you get out here, the better. I think they're going to try and ladder the door here also. I'll advise them. What's your ETA, you think? Okay, Roger. Box 2, Box 3, Tower with a question. Firebox 3. Yeah, I got some folks calling. Do you guys have any ETA on when we'll be able to open again? As of this time, I don't. They're checking the cargo hold for smoke and fire. I'll update you as soon as I know anything. Roger, thank you. Cedar Rapids Tower, Firebox 3. We have UPS en route with the tug. We're just setting up the airstairs now. Hopefully within the next 10 minutes or so, we can get this hooked up and start moving it. I don't think we're finding anything at this time. Box 3, Roger, thanks. Box 2 ground. Go for Box 3. Yeah, their company wants to know how they exited the aircraft. Do they use air slides? Do they use air stairs? They use their emergency rope. Roger. And for Box 2, is anybody hurt? Stand by, I'm not aware of that at this point. That's all I'm going to say. The current Cedar Rapids Tower is currently closed. Cedar Rapids Tower, both subjects will be transported to the hospital. That's just a precaution, sounds like. Cedar Rapids ground, good morning, United 664. Alright, calling tower, stand by. We're calling ground again, sorry about that.
No, hey, good morning, United 654. I understand the tower is closed due to an incident. Does that affect runway 27?
United calling, affirmative. The whole airport shut down, and it's more due to a possible chemical incident that might be going on as well. So both runways are shut down, sir.
Okay, do we have any kind of time frame, sir?
I don't know anything. As soon as I find something out, I can call you back.
Okay, thanks.
Control 4.
Control 4 ground.
Hey, how many flights do we have waiting to leave?
Waiting to leave?
Or land, yeah.
Well, I have 2 clearances given to depart, and we got 2 holding right now east of the field.
Okay, stand by. I'm going to see if maybe we can't open 1331 up if either one's available for that.
Cedar Rapids Tower, just a little update here. They are in the process of hooking up the tug at this point. Alright, last call ground thing again. They're in the process of hooking up the tug to the aircraft at this point. As soon as we can get that pulled off and out of there, we'll have to do all surfaces, runway inspection, and help us hopefully maintenance here to get things operating. Roger, and may or may not know this, but everyone kind of asked me, did you guys have a rough estimate of how long that'll be?
I really can't even give you a time frame. I'm hoping in the next 15 minutes, but it all depends on how quickly they start getting this aircraft moved. That's kind of out of my hands.
Roger. When it's done, right?
Roger.
Right. Just let us know then.
Zero, ground control 4.
Control 4 ground.
Here's our plan. We're moving this aircraft. We're going to put them onto Alpha. We're going to start getting back to their ramp. We have somebody doing a runway inspection at this time, or they're going to start doing it. As soon as we can get these clear, we'll go ahead and get the airfield back to you.
Roger. Thanks so much.